guys, this is a new video. My 3 fidgets. 1, 2, 3. My black one, I lost it. I lost my pointy fidget. I lost my normal fidget. And my light up one broke. I'm gonna get more. Don't worry. After all these problems, I might get none. I showed you before my 3 fidgets that I still haven't lost. The cat. Cat. As you see, like and subscribe to Kaysen's account, and like and subscribe to my account, and have a nice day, and comment down below, and like and subscribe. Bye.